கள்வரே கள்வரே கை கொண்டு பாரீரோ கண் கொண்டு சேரீரோ.
NEC Sparkling Diamonds now 75,000 only. One quality, one price. Conditions apply.
Meet Shreya Ghoshal live all hot tour at YMCA Nandanaman March 1st. Book your tickets.
Velamal feels proud to honor the physical education teachers with 5 cars and 15 lakhs.
I think he is a bundle of energy. When I sang Velichappuve with him, he was such a young, lot of joy, and he was a very cool guy. And what a difficult song he gave me. Oh, so cool, no? Yuvan Shankar Raja is a cult.
Ayyo, we have heard a story from the director.
Yeah, he made me cry. Please beat him up, yeah.
Beat him up
From my end now. He made me do that, and I'm so grateful that he made me cry. He made me feel, which it took a while to get it right.
ಸಂಡಾಳಿಯೋ ಪಸಕರ
நீ கூட கூட கொத்தாமில்ல நீ சொன்ன சாகம் எந்த புள்ள. ஐயோ
Here in Tamil, so many of them don't know that you're married.
what?
Yeah,
I'm married,
அப்படிதானே
guys.
அப்படிதானே.
Asking anything ki acha, like when you are courting, when you are dating, at least go out for dinners. There were nothing like that.
Ma'am,
Where
how many years dating?
10. செல்லமை செல்லமை என்றாயடா அத்தான் என்றே சொல்லாயடா நானும் ஆகினானா எனக்கு பிடித்த பாடல் அது உனக்கும் பிடிக்குமே உன் மனது போகும் வழி எந்தன் மனது அறியுமே. I was listening to some of your performances. You're a truly gifted artist. Performance of Ten Ten. Oof, you sound like an angel. You sound like an angel.
I'll start crying.
Don't cry, Shivangi. We still have to do more questions.
ஹலோ கலாட்டா மக்களே, நான் உங்கள் சிவாங்கி பேசுகிறேன். அதாவது ஏகப்பட்ட விஷயத்துக்கு நம்மலாம் வந்து நான்லாம் வேண்டியிருப்பேன், இங்கே வரணும் அங்கே வரணும். ஆனால் இதெல்லாம் என் கனவுல கூட நினைக்காத ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து நான் இப்படி ஒரு ஷோ வந்து நான் வந்து பண்ணுவேன் நான் எதிர்பார்க்கவே இல்லை. சின்ன வயசில் சும்மா நினைப்போம் இவங்களை இன்டர்வியூ எடுத்தால் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஆனால் உண்மையிலே அது நடக்கும் நான் எதிர்பார்க்கவே இல்லை. அதான் ஏன் முன்னாடி அமேசிங் என்னோட ஐடல் அண்ட் என்னோட ஜெனரேஷனில் இருக்க எல்லா சிங்கர்ஸோடைய ஐடல் அண்ட் எவ்வளோ வருஷமாக நம்ம தமிழாக இருக்கட்டும், ஹிந்தியாக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை எனி லாங்குவேஜ், அதுவும் எஸ்பெஷலி மலையாளம், எல்லா லாங்குவேஜும் அவங்க வந்து ஓன் பண்ணி அவங்க வந்து பாடுவாங்க. அண்ட் நம்ம இந்தியாவுக்கே ஒரு பெருமை சேர்க்குற ஒரு சிங்கர் ஸ்ரேயா கோஷல் மேமை வந்து இன்டர்வியூ எடுக்கிறது வந்து எனக்கு வந்து அவ்வளோதான். இதுக்கு மேலே எனக்கு ரிட்டையர் ஆனால் கூட எனக்கு வந்து கவலை கிடையாது. மேம், யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் எனிதிங்?
I was just enjoying your expressions. I'm a big fan of Shivangi, let's just say that.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is the source of your energy?
I was about to ask you that, ma'am.
I am going to ask you.
Ma'am.
Today this interview is for you.
No.
I'm going to do it.
No, ma'am, but
You're very kind and I can see how much you love me, and I've met you in the past also. You're a sweetheart, you're so talented, but you exude so much of positivity and you just bring joy to people with your voice, with your personality, with your cuteness and your bubbliness, and I really want to know the source of your energy. Huh? You give me the link of whatever this is.
link. But thank you so much, ma'am, and thanking God for this opportunity. I'll show you some, there are some more questions, but before that, we have a segment. I'll show you some of the Tamil composers' pictures, and you should tell me, when you see that picture, what you remember about them.
Okay.
Anirudh.
So when his Kolavaridi came, we were all vibing on that song. And who is this guy? Who is this guy? Very sweet, very cute, very young. And then I think he is a bundle of energy. And when I sang Velichappuve with him, he was such a young, I think a teenager or barely in his 20s. And who knew that he will become, I mean, there were all signs, but he was a very sweet next door boy vibe, and there was a lot of joy, and he was a very cool guy. And what a difficult song he gave me. I mean, Velichappuve has such different kind of notes and beautiful, and what a beautiful casting with Mohit Chauhan, and so he is very versatile. and I had a blast. Since then, I've not met him actually. So I just follow his growth, and I'm truly extremely proud of what he's achieved. And he deserves all the love that he has.
Next.
God.
God.
God. God level. Yes, he has. He's not. He's just, when he walks into a room, he has an aura around him. There's a halo around him. So that's what Rahman sir is. He's divine. And I was just saying somewhere also that he has a straight, different landline correction data plan with God. So he gets ideas. I don't know how he thinks like that. All the songs that I've grown up listening. So when I met him for the first time, it took, and it's still not sunk in that I actually work with him. And
But for most of the albums, you have one song, Tamil or Hindi, anything.
I'm
So,
very lucky that he has shown so much love and he has blessed me with this kind of affection. But it's still unreal for me because it's such I'm a fangirl when it comes to Rahman sir. So a fangirl is always alive in me. When I meet him, I talk to him. I'm scared of him. I'm scared to approach him, to talk to him. I'm very nervous in his presence, but he is any musician, any singer, any composer's reason to, or the initiation or inspiration to do what they are doing right now in today's generation. I can vouch for that. I think there's nobody in the world who can be like him, and everyone just wants to be like him.
do you have any favorite song of his which you sung?
I know you will guess Munbeva.
Munbeva,
but
apart
we'll
from-
sing apart from that. I have a
Munbeva's
song.
cult.
There are many songs. Kalvare, Kalvare. Don't have the lyrics.
கண் போகும் கள்வரே கை கொண்டு பாரீரோ கண் கொண்டு சேரீரோ களி சொல்லி தாரீரோ
என் ஆசை நானா சொல்வேன். What a line.
yeah
என் ஆசை நானா சொல்வேன், என் ஆசை நீயே சொல்வாய்.
கண்ணா கண்ணாலே ஆமாம் என்பேனே.
What a beautiful composition. No?
ஓகே கலாட்டா அது எனக்கு வந்து இது போதும் எனக்கு. இதுக்கப்புறம் நான் வந்து சிங்கரா ஆனா கூட எனக்கு கவலை.
Shivangi, I don't think people, you give this whole vibe of being a bubbly girl, energetic. Shivangi is a personality, but I can say this for, I was listening to some of your performances. You're a truly gifted artist. Your voice, your sangatis and your emotion. I have followed you. I have listened to many of your songs. Recently I heard a performance of Ten Ten. Oof, you sound like an angel. You're so good.
Thank
God
you,
bless.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'll start crying.
Don't cry, Shivangi. We still have to do more questions. Mwah.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, next picture.
Oh, so cool, no? Yuvan Shankar Raja is a cult, and he brings the most unexpected music in his films, and I think he has given me the most variety of music in songs in Tamil. He has given me all sorts of songs. There is Ayayyo, huh? That folk, ekdam folk vibe. Then there is
Ma'am,
Arey,
coming
you tell
to
me
that IAO, we have heard a story from the director.
he takes a lot of joy in telling that story.
Did that really happen?
Yeah, he made me cry. Please beat him up, yeah.
Beat him up.
From my end now. High time. Actually, I met him again in another recording, and he told me, I'm that director who made you sing. And he's a phenomenal director, and he's so passionate. And he was like, he wanted something and was not able to communicate. And I had a very long day. The whole day I was trying to get it right. And in his defense, I think he made me do that, and I'm so grateful that he made me cry. He made me feel the angst, and in that moment the melody also sank in even better. And what he wanted was the whole folkish twang,
Folkish.
which I it took a while to get it right, because I had sung a couple of folkish songs, but not something so hardcore.
Mm.
And in this moment, Yuvan Shankar Raja was a rock star. He gave me time, he gave me breaks. He said, he came and took me, yeah, relax, don't worry, I'm there, it'll happen. You know, when these kind of things happen, you just have double respect for the composer and the
After
person.
how many hours did you crack the song?
I think I went inside the studio in the morning, and I had already dubbed a couple of songs for Yuvan Shankar. I had come to Chennai for doing his songs.
Okay.
And the previous night also we were working, and then next morning we said we have to do this song. So went there, morning. It's not happening, and he is pacing around the studio, scratching. Here you are, he's talking something in Tamil, and my communication is weak in Tamil. Somebody is completely, he can't speak in Hindi or English at all. So, and neither was Yuvan understanding that what does he want.
Oh, even Yuvan sir didn't.
He didn't understand what he wants. So something, it was a big struggle that day. Finally, I think by the evening it happened after many breaks, many takes. It's fine. So
But I
I
couldn't
didn't make it to the
That
airport.
Shreya Ghoshal ma'am cried in a recording.
I cried. My mother was also there. I cried. I said, I actually said, leave me. I'll go. I'm not able to understand.
But that song is one of the cult songs. here.
Yeah, I'm so glad. If that
And
process
in many
didn't
reality
happen.
shows, that song, any contestant will sing that song.
Oh, lovely. I'm glad. So
And-
all that process happened for a good reason. So that crying was also required, I guess.
One line of that song. Ayayyo.
You will sing the... No, okay. What a lovely... That line is beautiful. Anyway, I'll sing my lines. ஐயோ ஏன் உசுருக்குள்ள தீய வச்சோம் ஐயோ ஏன் மனசுக்குள்ள நோய தச்சான் ஐயோ சொன்னா
சண்டாளியோ பாசக்கார தன 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 தன
நீ கோண கூட கொத்தாமில்ல நீ சொன்ன சாகம் எந்த புள்ள ஐயோ
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 Okay. Thank you, ma'am. And the next
Okay.
picture again.
What can I talk about this man? What kind of words do exist in the dictionary to describe a man like Ilayaraja sir? He has, I think he's a phenomena, like how cosmic phenomena happen, right? Like Big Bang, where the universe started. A planet was made. It's like that. He is such a big phenomena. It's tough to put your brains together to understand how this man has come up with these kind of melodies. And I am so fortunate that I can't put in words how blessed I am that he's given me so many great songs. At 80 plus, he is standing and doing 5 hours of concert non-stop. His energy, his mind, touch wood, and I just hope that he lives for hundreds and hundreds of years to give us the kind of music he has given. This phenomena will never ever happen in the history of time.
Your
And the
favorite
future of time.
song of him.
Honna Vida, everyone has heard. But that song, na, Ennakku peduthu paada, that's one of my first songs for him in a film called Julie Ganapati.
Oh.
I don't think anyone has heard. Like how my first song in Tamil is Chellame Chellame Endrayada, Attan Endre Sollayada, Nanu Agina na 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 na. Yeah, that is from the film album. And then
That was for Karthik Raja.
Karthik Raja sir introduced me to Raja sir.
Oh, okay.
And then I sang something in Telugu, and then one of the first Tamil songs was Julie Ganapati. This it's a little rare song, but since you are sitting, I'm going to sing one line of that. If I can find lyrics of that. எனக்கு பிடித்த பாடல் அத உனக்கு பிடிக்குமே உன் மனது போகும் வழிய இந்த மனது அறியுமே என்னை பிடித்த நிலவும் அத உன்னை பிடிக்குமே காதல் நோய்க்கு மருந்து தந்த நோய கூட்டமே உதிர்வது பூக்களா மனத வளர்த்த சோலையில் காதல் பூக்கள் உதிருமா எனக்கு பிடித்த பாடல் அது உனக்கும் பிடிக்குமே உன் மனது போகும் வழி இந்த மனது அறியுமே.
Ma'am, how do you own each and every language, ma'am? That was my question actually. How do you own, even especially Malayalam? It's difficult for Malayalis itself, and how are you doing that, ma'am?
I really don't know. I don't have answers for all of this.
I know in many interviews they have asked the same question, but this is one common question
you.
everybody has.
Thank you. That's all. I think just I'm here to enjoy, and I'm a music lover. I'm a lover of bhasha, like language, and I feel India is such a rich culture. This is so unique to our country only, that we have so many beautiful languages all in one country. It is such a privilege to be able to sing in all of this. There's so many more to go.
Yes.
We'll do.
Okay, so that was the end of the segment. There are many more music directors, but next time,
Next
Shreya
time.
Ghoshal live 3.0, 4.0 will take another.
Are you should hang with me, no? Why just an interview? Just let's hang and just have a good time, sing, eat, take me and show me Chennai through your eyes next
Really?
time. Yes. Yeah? Promise, huh?
Promise, pakka. I'll do anything for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Since when you were 19 or 16 years old was your first song, and from 2002 to this year, how are you still in the peak, ma'am? This is what I want to ask, because today the lifespan of a song or a singer has become very short. So how are you still in the peak, ma'am?
Oof. I don't think like that, na. That's the thing. I think you need to do a good job. You need to be true to your art, your craft, your way of living, your way of being in in this industry, how you meet people. Everything matters. If you're a good person and you're dedicated to what you do, I think things just fall in place. So that's what I've been doing. Nothing else can make anything happen. And honestly, I feel I'm very blessed, and I feel my fans have given me a lot, more than what I deserve. But if they were not so loyal and genuinely rooting for me for every day, everything that I do, I wouldn't be here doing what I do.
Like you said, dedication. Do you practice every day?
Nah.
Bah.
So I'm going to break a lot of hearts, and what are you saying?
Riyaz, practice.
So it is not possible. You know, Shivangi, how tough. It's not anymore singing only. There's just so much happening in life that you have to find pockets of time within your extremely hectic schedule, where sleep is probably the priority. Probably saving your voice is more important. But when you do find the time, then you do a very focused riyaz, the warm-ups, the riyaz, things which are not working in your vocals, your weak points, you sharpen them. This is something which one has to go learn on the go. It was not like this earlier. So when I was growing up, when I had the time in life, when my foundation was being built, there were hours and hours of practice which went in it every day. Morning, my mother will not leave me if I don't finish my morning riyaz before going to school, which would be like more 1 to 2 hours of. She has to. My room was upstairs, so if the tanpura sound stopped and my singing stopped, she will just ask what happened, why is there silence, keep doing it. So there were a lot of days when my friends were playing in the ground and I was not doing that. I couldn't because I was doing my practice. So there were days, and there were many years of doing just that. So I think that once the foundation is sorted, then you can take these liberties. Having said that, that's not the ideal one. I would not recommend that for any singer. Do your riyaz, do your warm-ups, do practice, because vocal cords are like muscles, no? You have to keep them warm, you have to keep them agile.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice lesson for me. And coming to your mother, your father, I've heard that along with you, your father always accompanies you. So please tell us about your family support towards your profession.
Oh, major. I am not doing this alone. Shreya Ghoshal is not one person. It's an entity of, we are, we were 4 people, now there
Now
are
Devyan also.
5 and 5.5. So I think it's, Shreya Ghoshal is made of 5.5 people, which started, the genesis of everything is my mother. Music has come from her. She has taught me everything that I know about music. The way I listen to music is how she has taught me. And my father, whose love for music and the way he has nurtured his child, it's very rare to see a parent do so much, and without anything not asking anything in return ever, like silently just doing it for the daughter's well-being, so that she does well in her life. He has been the strongest, most silent pillar in the family behind me, and he travels with me, he takes care of everything. I just have to say, this needs to be done, and it becomes his life's goal to get it done. And he's a genius man in his own right. He is an extremely educated, very intelligent mind, who has done a lot in his own career, but nothing was above his daughter's well-being and music.
And also here in Tamil, Tamil people, so many of them don't know that you're married.
What?
Yeah.
I'm married,
அப்படிதானே
guys.
அப்படிதானே அப்படிதானே they only told. I know, because since childhood I'm following you. Even like this. Yeah, when my sister was getting married in 2015, and one sudden news, hey, I am a part Malayali, so my cousin said, hey, Shreya Ghoshal kalyana arnyo, like that. Enna kalyanama? And then you got married to your childhood sweetheart. And please tell us about that love story.
Oh, that love story is a beautiful one, of course. I found a great friend in him, who was being completely cool about what I do, never asking anything. Ki acha, like when you are courting, when you are dating, at least go out for dinners. There were nothing like that.
Ma'am,
Where
how many years dating?
10.
10? For 10 years, how did you date?
Discreetly. Whatever, I mean, the fact is, I was extremely busy all these years, and he genuinely loved me for who I am, and not the career. I think any person who makes it in a film industry or music industry or any kind of art form, the partner has to be very understanding, and he has been that person. And even today, he always puts me in front and gives me the first right of decision for everything. And now that we have a kid together, the parenting is absolutely 50-50, and sometimes he's doing more than I am able to. So I'm lucky to have found true love and someone who's a genuinely good human being and a great friend, a great companion.
And I have one doubt, ma'am. As a singer, and there is some myth. As a singer, we have to leave certain food items to be a singer. Example, ice cream, ice water. Have you left any of the food item like that? Do you eat ice cream? Really, before the show?
Not right before the show. But I'm a foodie. Shivangi, I think the world knows that. I love
Yeah.
food. My mind, my heart, my voice all starts with my taste buds. It gets excited from my taste buds. So I think the way I'm feeling right now, I need the food to match with that.
Oh, okay.
you know,
Suppose if I give you rasgulla, what kind of song comes to your mind?
ay, on the go. Rasgulla means love. It just melts you, no? And
Even
rasgulla
my
is
favorite
also,
is rasgulla.
Hana.
Hmm.
So I'm not much of a sweet tooth though. So I love chatpata, meaning chaats, anything which is tikha, meaning hot and sour and these kind of things.
Oh.
So sweet is secondary love. Only if I had a lot of spice, then I need some sweet to cut it. Then I need to again eat something spicy. So it's
Typical
like
foodie,
that.
man.
Foodie. I'm a hardcore foodie, and I just take care of my health.
Hmm.
If I'm pushing it, if I'm doing anything in excess, I know I'll fall sick. So I have to be well for the commitments that I do, the kind of songs that we do. So everything in moderation is fine. And if you're a happy kid, everything is good in life. You'll sound great, you will be fine, you will be happy, you will give happiness to others. So if food makes you happy, eat it. Yeah.
Correct, ma'am. Very correct. Some of my co-singers, they'll carry only hot water with them. Ayyo, no. Like that they'll behave. But I'll eat ice cream, everything,
Yeah,
ice
everything.
water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was the closing of the segment. And thank you so much for coming to Chennai. And we have your concert on March 1st, All Hearts Tour. And கொஞ்சம் அதை பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க.
Adapati?
கொஞ்சம் அதை பத்தி please tell about
Acha.
the concert.
Adapati. What can I say? I'm just saying that like this enthusiasm that Shivangi has, I think I'm more than that enthusiasm is in me, because I am coming to Chennai to perform live to for a city which is so dear to me. It has given me so much. I owe this city so much. The music that I have got from you all, the fandom, the love, the music, the passion for the kind of music that you listen to and of mine. I feel very honored that I'm coming to the city, and I'm coming on the 1st of March, very close to what today is, and it's happening at YMCA ground. So I'm very excited that this concert is happening in YMCA, because last time we have done an indoor stadium, and this time we are taking it a little bigger, and I will be much more up close with the fans and singing many of the songs which are a little surprised that, okay, this song we didn't expect you to sing. Many of the Tamil, many of the Hindi songs, many of the surprises are planned. So I'm excited to be coming with my whole band, with my All Hearts concert to Chennai on 1st March.
Ma'am, more than you, I am very excited that I am going to be coming, and I'm coming with my family to listen to you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And before closing this, can you sing Manipaya? That is
Sure.
one cult favorite among this.
Sure. One of my most favorites as well. So, கடலினில் மீனாக இருந்தவள் நான், உனக்கென கரை தாண்டி வந்தவள்தான், துடித்திருந்தேன் தரையினிலே, திரும்பி விட்டேன் என் கடலிடமே. ஒரு நாள் சிரித்தேன், மறுநாள் வெறுத்தேன், உன்னை நான் கொள்ளாமல் கொன்று புதைத்தேனே. மன்னிப்பாயா 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 மன்னிப்பாயா.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this opportunity, and hopefully I'll see you again. And I'm waiting for March 1st concert.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll be there. Let's have a party, guys.
Yes.
Shivangi style. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
NEC Sparkling Diamonds now 75,000 only. One quality, one price. Conditions apply.
Meet Shreya Ghoshal live all hearts tour at YMCA Nandanaman March 1st. Book your tickets.
Velamal feels proud to honor the physical education teachers with 5 cars and 15 lakhs.